Hello student, today we will do question number 32 from Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number, we have to prove that this integration is this. So we will integrate this by partial fraction method. So for that we will suppose dx x square x plus 1 3 1 is equal to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. It will take LCM. LCM will be x square x plus 1. So it will divide by x a into x plus 1 into x plus b x square will be x plus 1 plus c x square. So we'll multiply this. So this will be a x square plus x plus bx plus b plus cx square divided by x square x plus 1. Now a will multiply, then ax square plus ax plus bx plus b plus cx square divided by x square x plus 1. Now take common x square, then a plus c x square plus x common, then a plus b and plus b divided by x square x plus 1. Now we will compare coefficients. So there is no x square in numerator, so a plus c will be then a plus c will be 0. This is first. A plus b x there is no x also, so a plus b is equal to 0. This is 2 and constant 1 b is equal to 1. So if you put value of b in 1, then we will get a is equal to in 2. If you will 2 in 2, we will put value b value 1, then a will be minus 1. and if you will put value of A in first, so C will be then 1. Now we have got A, B, C value. Now we will put there. So 1, 3, A by X. We will integrate this separately. This is, so A is -1, so minus we will put outside, minus 1 by X plus integration of bx square. B is 1, so this will be dx. One by x square dx 1, 3 plus c. C is C value is 1, so dx by x plus 1. That's it. Now we will integrate this. So we will integrate this, minus integration of this will be x to the power -1. So 1 by x integration. -1 log x is 1, 3. Integration of this -2 -2 plus 1 x, 1 by x square we can write x -2. So integration of this will be x -2 plus 1 by -2 plus 1. So this will be x -1 and -1, means -1 by x. -1 by x. Value 3, 1. This integration will be log x plus 1 3, 1. I will put value minus should be log 3 log 3 minus log 1 plus -1 by 3 plus 1. Here will be log 4 minus log 2. This is now we will remove a bracket, then this will be log 1. Log 1 is 0, so minus log 3 plus this will be 2 by 3 and this is log 2. This will be log 2. Means 4 log 4 by 8. You can write this log 4 by 2. So 2 means minus log 3 plus 2 by 3 plus log 2. And by log m minus n, this will be log 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 plus log 2 by 3. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.